Hello everyone! Today we're going to make a lentil and vegetable stew that is hearty, deeply savory, and completely plant-based. Let's make it. We're going to start by taking one onion. We're going to dice that into small, even pieces. It's going to cook down, so you don't have to be exactly perfect when you're dicing this. Next, I'm going to be using 3 medium carrots. I will cut them lengthwise first, then chop them into half minutes. You don't have to cut them this way, any shape will work, but try to keep the pieces relatively uniform so that everything cooks at about the same rate, and that will go the same for the celery as well. I've got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of a large Dutch oven over medium heat. Everything goes in together. While those are softening, I'm going to mince 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to chop 2 potatoes. I'm going to set the potatoes aside. Those will go in later. Just stir the vegetables until they start to soften. You're looking for them to be a little translucent, and then you're going to add the garlic, dried thyme, dried oregano. Give that a stir. Let that cook for about a minute. Now we're adding in the lentils, 1.5 cups of either brown or green lentils. I used green lentils for this recipe. 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I used fire roasted here, which adds a subtle depth, but any canned diced tomatoes will work just fine. Add in 6 cups of vegetable broth, a bay leaf, and the potatoes that we set aside earlier. Give everything a good stir. One thing worth mentioning is this stew is very forgiving. The lentil and broth base stays the same, but the vegetables are very flexible. Use whatever you have on hand: parsnips, sweet potatoes, zucchini, green beans. Most things will work here. Just use what's in your kitchen. Bring it to a boil, reduce to a simmer, cover, let it cook 30 to 35 minutes. Fish out the bay leaf. The lentils and potatoes should be tender. Add in your peas and your vinegar and let those peas just warm through. Taste it, adjust salt and pepper if needed, and you're done. Ladle it into bowls while it's still hot, and if you've made the garlic and herb drop biscuits from my other video, this is exactly what they're made for. Break one open, scoop up some stew, and enjoy. Hope to see you next time.